Well, hello, Darren Stewart here with Stewart and Stewart Attorneys, and with me as usual, Nick Wagner. How are you today?
I'm good, sir. And yourself?
Better than I deserve.
Yeah, I don't know the answer to that, but
I'm
okay.
just glad to be here.
All right,
Glad to
good.
be and share. You know, we often get calls from new clients, from existing clients, from past clients with legal questions, and frequently get these calls, and it's fun to share those and talk about those amongst each other, because it's good to, sometimes it's just a review course, sometimes you learn something new.
Yep.
But you mentioned to me that you recently received a call.
I did, and just you ride a motorcycle, right? So we get a lot of calls from people who ride, and some people are just curious, and other people have actually been in a wreck and they're asking the question, but what kind of motorcycle injuries, motorcycle accident injuries can leave you permanently disabled? And before I get into the meat and potatoes of that, first and foremost, you're super exposed when you're on a bike, even if you've got a helmet, even if you've got protective gear. There's no doors, there's no airbags. It's just you and the road. And so we often see broken bones. Of course, broken bones can leave you permanently disabled, depending on what bone it is that's broken. Spinal fractures can be very serious and require extensive treatment. We also look at, the chest up. We see sternum fractures, traumatic brain injuries, even with a helmet can occur, and traumatic brain injuries, that can produce effects for a lifetime.
Can change you. It can really change
absolutely. It can make you a different person.
I think we're all familiar somewhat with motorcycles and motorcycle wrecks because they're kind of a vehicle, right?
Yeah.
But one of you made me think of this. What about cyclists, like bicycles?
Oh yeah.
Cyclists that are riding anymore. There's a lot of the strips on the side of the road that say bicycle, but they're not always there.
No.
So they're supposed to be riding with traffic on the side of the road.
Yes.
Not the sidewalk.
Correct.
And that's because you're not anticipating someone moving at the speed a bicycle moves to come off of a sidewalk when you're navigating an intersection.
Correct.
You're anticipating someone on a sidewalk to be walking.
Yeah.
And so if they're in the roadway, that's where you're looking for vehicles that are moving faster.
Yeah.
So I often see them on sidewalks, and that can be dangerous.
Very dangerous. Yeah, especially with all the trails they got popping up around the area. Yeah, you got to be careful, especially if you're just on a bicycle.
And what's the rule about walking, I guess jogging as well, on a road? It's against traffic.
Against traffic.
So you can see traffic.
Yeah. You want to be able to get out of the way, but
preferably on the sidewalk if there is one.
Right. Yeah.
Side run if you're running.
Yeah.
Side jog.
Yeah, not a walk. But I get your point.
If you or someone you know has been injured while riding a bicycle, while in any way, not just, it doesn't have to be a car, they were injured in some way where someone caused them to get hurt, or a motorcycle, please give us a call right here at Stewart & Stewart. Be happy to talk to you about it. Our phone number is 800-3333-LAW, and you can also find us and find more videos at getstewart.com right there on the web, getstewart.com.